Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. New LSPosed version 2 on Android 17. As you know, older LSPosed is no longer supported on Android 17. So here you go. This video is about installation LSPosed on Android 17. It is an exciting update for those of us who love customizing our devices to the absolute limit. Let us dive right into My File Manager. As you can see right here on the screen, I have already downloaded the new LSPosed Magisk module zip file. It is sitting securely right here in my local storage. You will need to grab this exact version 2-zip from the official developer repository to make sure you have the correct build. Make sure you do not accidentally download the legacy version, or the installation process will simply fail on the newer Android operating systems. Now, before we move strictly to the new stuff, take a look at my trusty Redmi Note 7 Pro. It is currently running on a custom Android 16 ROM. On this device, you can see I'm showcasing the old LSPosed, which is already installed and fully active. Because of Android 16, LSPosed is working without any issue whatsoever. Everything runs completely smoothly. But remember, this same exact version will absolutely not work on Android 17. To prepare for an upgrade, or just to show the manual process, we are going right into the Magisk application right now. I'm removing old LSPosed in Magisk entirely from the system. Once that is successfully removed, I'm installing new version by flashing the brand new zip file directly through the app. The installation process in Magisk is complete, and it only took a few seconds. Now we just need to hit that System Restart button at the bottom. We are rebooting device right now to apply all the systemless changes properly. Okay, we're back after the reboot on the Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can clearly see here, showcasing new version is installed. It's not working on Android 16. I'm not sure it will on any Android 16 ROMs out there, or if it is just this specific configuration, but it will definitely work on Android 17. To prove that point, let us switch over to my main device, the Google Pixel 6, which is running on Android 17. I've gone ahead and installed the exact same new LSPosed version 2 module right here. And look at that, showcasing new LSPosed version is working on my Google Pixel 6 perfectly. One of the biggest things you'll notice immediately upon opening it is the major redesign. The new LSPosed version is look like KernelSU app. It has adopted a very clean, modern interface that is super responsive and easy to navigate. Most importantly, it's working without any issues with new UI. All the modules are loading perfectly, and the system framework hooks are fully operational on this Android 17 environment. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you get the new framework running smoothly on your freshly upgraded devices. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Catch you in the next one.